Shout out to my beautiful wife, Mihlali Damase. Ngibonge nawe ukhona la from some. Ngithanda ngiyazungimamela. Ngiyazungimamela. That woman yo abazi into niyifundayo uyena mhlawumbe ophetha mina. That woman is like everything to me. Guys, ngiyamuthanda yazi ngimnabo love. And you're so confused. I don't speak to people, by the way, but Mihlali makes me crazy because the way I love her. I love Mihlali. I love Mihlali. I so love Mihlali. I so love Mihlali like ungenza umuntu. Anything.
I love you, Mandamase.
Hi there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and of course do share this video. So Leeroy Sidambe is definitely a man in love with Mihlali Damase, you guys, and it shows. So he was a bit tipsy when he went there on a recent Instagram live, and he basically praised and confessed his undying love for the influencer. And wow, he really is in love. He is a gone boy. So Mihlali trended last year when it was reported by blogger Mr. Kaula that she was involved with this married man known as Leeroy Sidambe, who was at the time still married to his wife Mary Jane Sidambe. However, Leeroy did break up with his wife and picked the influencer Mihlali, or Mary Jane Light as Mr. Kaula would call her, you guys. So after he went live confessing his undying love for Mihlali, Twitter of course did have their own opinions, and most of them were positive. So these are some of the comments. Mihlali is a hardworking woman that we must never forget that she ain't just a pretty face, she's a whole package. Another one said, drunk people always tell the truth. One thing about Mihlali and Leeroy, bayathandana kakhulu shem. Oh, Mihlali girl, as long as you're happy, I guess. It's so beautiful seeing men loving their partners out loud. If my man doesn't go live and tell people how much he loves me, I don't want him. Another one said, Leeroy is gone. Her said, this is how I feel about Mihlali. That's my queen, okay? And then a love emoji. You know, a man is gone when he starts mentioning you when he's drunk. If he's not like this, then I do not want him. I need a Leeroy in my life. Is Dutla Zendao wrote, "Ugh, this is so cute." Now look on this last video how Leeroy Sidambe bragged while he was on an Instagram live. I think it was about a week ago. He bragged about dating Mihlali. He called her a global woman. And I found that video very cute, you guys. But before I do insert it, do make sure that you have liked, you have subscribed or followed us. So let me not waste your time, but quickly insert that video here.
The problem, you have never been started the journey. That's the problem.
And you're dealing with someone who is in love with a global woman.
Yes, with somebody who's in love with a global woman.